How to order your daily canteen menu. To submit your order, you can use your cell phone or your computer. Just open your web browser and open egcanteen.com. Click the Canteen Services menu, then click Canteen menu. You are now shown with the default menu for today. Select your order date by clicking this box. Select your order date. Let's say, for example, April 9. Click Go. You are shown with the April 9 menu. Choose your menu by clicking the checkbox beside the image. You may add more quantity if you want. After selecting your menu, scroll down to submit your order. Click the Submit Order. You are asked to log in. Log in using your account. You are redirected to the order page. Confirm your chosen menu and then click the Submit button, Order button. View your order by clicking the View Orders button. Click the This Week button, then click Search. You can see your order details here, price, beef, and the amount. You can pay using GCash or PayMaya. You can also cancel your order by clicking Cancel Order here, or you can edit your order by clicking the Edit button here. If you want to order more, you can click the link Add Order here or click the Add Order button here. Now, let's say you want to order for another date. Let's say, for example, April 10. Click April 10, then click Go. Select your April 10 menu, then scroll down, then Submit Order. View your orders by clicking View Orders. Search your order by clicking This Week, then click Search button. You can see your orders here. April 10 order, April 9 order, lunch, beer. If you want to view your order for a specific date, you can choose the date here. Let's say April 9 to April 9. Click Search. Okay, this is your April 9 order. Let's say you want to view your April 10 order. Click April 10, then search. This is your April 10 order. If you want to view your order for the week, click this week. Or if you want to view your order for this month, click this month. Then click search. That's it.